Have you ever wanted to know how to make one of these DIY cloud lights? Let me show you how. A friend of mine sent me Buy or DIY's video on how to make a cloud light, so I decided to follow in their footsteps and try it. I went onto Amazon and I bought paper lanterns, a hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, Poly-fil, and an LED light strip. You'll only need half a bag of Poly-fil. Alright, let's get started. The paper lanterns I bought came in 4 sizes. We have the large, and then we have like smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, how the heck do you do this? What are these? Why are there 3 of them? Okay, let's read this. Okay, I get it. You just have to put the metal part inside of the lantern, and then it should bend a little bit. And then there's like these kind of little knobs where you can attach the top of it. There we go. Cool, super easy. I'll just make all of the sizes. Let's figure out how to put this together so that it's easier. Let's start gluing them together. I'm actually going to take the light and string it together at the same time so that it's easier to put together and I don't have to cut any holes through it later. I'm unraveling it first so that when there's sound detection, that middle part is going to light up the most, so I want that to be in the center of the cloud. This has to fit. I'm gonna make it fit. Just keep trying. And the rest of it, I'm going to string it through. Next step, glue Poly-fil to the top. And voila! Plug it in and see it go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And hit that notification bell button to see more art process videos.